The X-861 Pro 4-wheel alignment device is ready for use once you have ensured that the installation is complete. This video will then explain the practical operation of the product and the use of the software. First, the wheel clips with the targets are taken off the chassis pylon, and the front and rear wheels are mounted according to the color of the targets. Black targets are mounted on the front wheels, and blue targets on the rear wheels. Make sure that the front of the target is facing the locator, and that the wheel clamp knob is preferably facing upwards for installation. Once the wheel clamps are installed, press the mainframe switch on the front of the case, wait for the system to start, and then open the desktop software X-861 Pro. After the software has been started, the first step is to position the target and click on Alignment Check. When you enter the interface, you will see the words "Please enter VIN code." This text box means to fill in the VIN code of the vehicle to facilitate a quick search of the database. Okay, we can enter the calibration screen by clicking on the Target Monitoring button below. In this screen, if we do not see the 4 targets, we can click on the Automatic Track Camera bar button below for automatic calibration. Of course, this function can also be used when the vehicle is being lifted by the lift. The automatic track function will track the target on the vehicle for calibration. Where you can choose to adjust it manually. When the targets are positioned, we click on Exit to exit the calibration screen, and then select the vehicle model we want to calibrate in the database. You can either double-click on the vehicle model, or click on the Next button in the bottom right-hand corner to proceed to the next step. Now we will move the car backwards and forwards according to the on-screen display in order to quickly obtain the results of the front and rear wheel toe and camber tests. We can either drive the car slowly backwards and forwards, or use the steering wheel fixing bracket on the chassis to fix the steering wheel. And the brake block to control the front and rear range of the car, and then push the car. Once the toe and camber test result has been obtained, you can click on the Additional Measurement button below to view additional parameters that will allow us to repair the vehicle. Let's return to the test results page and select the Graphics Mode button below to switch the display format. Next, we click on the Next button and turn the steering wheel left and right, as shown on the screen, to obtain all the test results. In addition to turning the steering wheel while applying the brake pedal inside the vehicle, we can also use the brake plate fixing bracket hanging from the tower at the back of the chassis to fix the brake pedal of the vehicle, and then turn the steering wheel outside the vehicle. Finally, once we have all the test results, click on the Next button. and on the report page you can choose to save or print the test results. On the left-hand side of the report page you can see some of the information to be filled in for this test, which can be filled in completely and saved or printed as a reference for maintenance.